In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. So first, what you want to do is open up TikTok, go to your profile, click on the hammer menu on the top right, and then click on settings and privacy. Now, unfortunately, there is no actual settings to change your age. You have to ask TikTok to change it for you. What that means is that you have to go here, scroll down until you see report a problem. The first option under support and about, click on that. Once you are here, click on the account and profile. Once it loads up, you want to click on editing profile and then click on other. Then you're going to get this screen and you click no and then click on need more help. From here, tell them something like, I put my wrong birthday in, can you please change it for me? And then if you want, you can just give them the proof of your ID or any proof of your birthday, or just send them this message and they will tell you what they need from you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.